Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you can you install mods for Megabonk in 2025. Megabonk supports mods through third-party modding platforms. Most mods require a mod loader such as BepInX, IL2CPP to function. Mods add features like unlock all items, improved maps, or auto jump. The modding community is active, sharing updates and new tools regularly. To install mods in 2025. First, install the required mod loader in the game's folder. Then, visit a reliable mod repository and select your preferred mods. Use a mod manager like R2 ModMan or Thunderstore app for easier setup. Always launch the game through the mod manager to load mods correctly. Then, back up your saved data before adding mods to avoid corruption. Some mods may cause instability or break after game updates. Certain mods can affect online play or disable leaderboard uploads. Modding depends on developer policies, so future restrictions may apply. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.